Welcome to part 2 of my auction haul series. I will link part 1 up here if you want to go and check out that first. But I'm on to the next box, so let's see what we have. Let's dive right in. I did pick this haul up a few weeks ago, so I don't entirely remember what is in here. Okay, that's got a bit of damage, but it's these two, black and gold. They look like brass vases with really intricate detailing on. And okay, I'm seeing there's quite a bit of damage in terms of dents on them. So what I'll do, in a similar fashion to part 1, I will Google lens and show you close up, but there's quite a few knocks and indentations in that, which is a pity. Really big one across there. But yeah, they look to be brass, possibly enamel. So a pity about that, but I'll look them up nonetheless. This pair of Japanese Cloisonné vases, there you can see the damage on that one. I've done the reverse image search, which you would have seen, and there's a pair similar, but not exactly the same, I don't think, for $1,200, which is crazy. So I don't think that this pair is going to be $1,200. There seems to be some others that are listed around the $100 mark. I've just posted a few pictures into a Facebook group for Japanese and Chinese cloisonné, just to get some more insight, because I wonder if they might be reproductions. So yeah, I'll let you know if I find out any more information before this video goes live, or if you follow me over on Instagram, then I will share an update over there. So it looks like I've just found this tag and it says pair of Japanese Cloisonné vases, £75. So I reckon that's what these black and gold ones were. So originally, wherever they were being sold for £75. Oh, and then, oh dear, that's had a chip which has been re-glued rather horribly. But it's this pretty little vase, which is marked Royal Worcester, England, 1047. Really pretty, intricate detailing, but yeah, that's really badly damaged. So I like the gold handle, but yeah, that is destined for a mosaic artist. Then there's this little Toby jug, Royal Doulton. He seems to be in good condition, no damage that I can see on him. Royal Doulton stamp underneath. So it looks like Mr. Toby Philpotts by Royal Doulton is listed anywhere between £18 and £24. So I think that's where I'll go, in the middle at £20. Oh, that's lovely. I think this is Royal Doulton as well. Doulton Lambeth. I've got a couple of these. These are from the 1800s, this particular style. It's the brown with the salt glaze. And I've got the mustard pot, a tiny little mustard pot, and also a jug, a pitcher. And they're really lovely. This one's got beautiful blue raised relief detail on it. That is stunning. And then the 3 handles as well. And there's the stamp underneath. Again, it doesn't look like there's any damage. That's lovely. You can see all the hand impressed detail. I can't find any information on this Doulton Lambeth 3-handled jug pot with the blue relief. There's some with the white raised relief, but none that I've seen with the blue, and I've searched eBay, can't find any sold comparables. So I reckon this is going to have to be one where you just pluck a number out of the sky, start high, and see what happens and work your way down if there's no takers. It's just so intricately detailed. I don't know if you can see all the sort of wave marks and prick marks on the bottom. It really is beautiful. And I think these date from the 18th century, these particular ones, and then it's got that salt glaze along the top. So yeah, not sure on that one. That's really lovely. What was this that fell out? So it's this little trinket dish with a woman sitting holding a flower and a man playing the guitar to her. It's got lovely blue and gold detail. That is Limoges, made in France, porcelain. So it just opens to that. This little Limoges trinket pot seems to be in the region of 20 to 30 pounds. So I will probably list it around £24 and see if there's any takers. There doesn't seem to be a great deal of this particular pattern in this shape available. So I think it's really cute. Oh, and then we've got this chunky brass boot. I love this. I don't think I quite anticipated how big it was going to be when I was bidding. I knew it was big, but this is a real hefty boot. I'm not sure what its purpose would be, if that would be some sort of wall hanging or coal scuttle, maybe, like that. I think you do that. I don't know. If you know what something is, comment before I do the Google image search. Oh, and another one. I didn't even realize I won two. So that looks pretty much exactly the same. Another chunky brass boot. Nice. These bad boys are antique brass stirrups, and I found an exact same pair which has been polished up on Etsy for £333, and then another similar sort of pair in around the £280 mark. So if that's the case, if that's what I managed to achieve with these, then these alone have paid for the entire auction haul, and everything else is profit, which would be amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna give those a polish up. It's always difficult with brass and vintage items because some people want them with the patina on, some want them polished up, and I'm never quite sure what to do. Leave them with their patina or polish them up. Let me know in the comments below what you would do. What do you think? What do you prefer? Do you want it looking all shiny again, or do you prefer it with that aged patina look? And then this lovely wall pocket. It's got a stamp on the back. I can't make out what that is though. It's a really pretty dove and a branch, and then what looks to be 2 leaves sewn together. It's really pretty and delicate. I think it's probably porcelain. This little wall pocket is Royal Worcester, and it's Blanc de Chine, and it looks like there's one listed for £95 and also one for £12, and no sold comparables. So I reckon if I go maybe like the £50 mark, then I might be onto a winner there. See, that's the, I don't know if you can see the small mark there. Come out frame. Yeah, it's quite hard to read, but yeah, it's really pretty. And next is this lovely decanter, crystal decanter. So it's got these 2 feet for it to rest like that, and it's glass stopper. That's lovely. There doesn't appear to be any damage where you would normally see chips, and I can't see any maker's mark. No. It looks like this decanter might be Bohemian crystal, and there's one listed for £41. It's really weighty. I think I'll probably list mine in around a similar price, and again see how it does. It's got these little feet down here that it rests on. And I saw that it was described as acorn, which it does sort of look like at the bottom, but it is really hefty. So yeah, we'll start at around £40 for that one, I think. And lastly in this box is this lovely bowl, which has a massive big crack down it, so, and a chip. So Royal Worcester, as pretty as that is, that's had its lifetime, I think. Yeah. Don't know if you can see that massive big crack there. And then there's a few chips in the gold. So that's going to find its way to someone else. I've just had a quick image search of these 2 Royal Worcester items that are damaged. So this one has got the chip over there, and then there is a big crack through it over there as well. So it looks like this one is being listed and sold at auction upwards of £120. And this one, which has got this massive chip out the back and repair, I mean, they might as well have done that with expanding foam. That's upwards of £185. So that's real pretty that those 2 are damaged, but it is what it is. It's the luck of the draw with an auction. So here are our goodies from this box. So that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed today's auction unboxing and research and what I'll be listing it for. I think I've got another 3 crates to go, so potentially another 3 videos. So make sure that you're subscribed, turn on your notifications if this is of interest to you and you enjoy following along. and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.